what you're doing, if you're watching this video right now, that means you probably have a smartphone and you're wanting to change your life for the better. In today's video, we're going to be going over some of the top side hustles for 2023. Sit back, grab some pen and paper, and make sure to take notes. This one's one of my favorites. I want to tell you about FOAP and Snapwire. These sites will pay you pretty good money just for pictures taken with even your phone. But recently, I found an even better website that pays significantly more money called IM. It's a stock photography website that prides itself on selling authentic user-posted imagery. As you can see here, it's pretty cool. Many of these photos can be taken on basically every modern cell phone that has a high-quality camera. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but many of these images sell for close to $350 per image. All you have to do is just go to im.com, click on the contributor section, then click on sell your work, and then you can start selling. Your work from here is to quickly create an account and then upload your images. How much you earn will strictly depend on how aesthetic and visually appealing your images are, so you gotta try your best. With most images on the site selling for around $350, with you taking a 55% cut on every single sale you make, you can expect to earn around $192 per image sold, which is definitely not bad at all. This one's really simple. Proofreading is a side hustle that has very low barrier of entry. As long as you know English and some basic rules of writing and editing, you can get started with just your phone. Basically, as a proofreader, you'll just go through various documents and printed materials that you get sent and mark any errors that you find. You don't need an English degree to do this at all. Apps like Grammarly and so many others, which you can download completely for free on your phone, will automatically review your spelling, grammar, punctuation, your clarity, the engagement, and even any delivery mistakes within your writing. And then to actually find work, it's really simple. You can just go to sites like Clickwork, Fiverr, Upwork, and you can expect to earn between $15 and $100 per hour as a proofreader. And just in case you don't believe me, here's proof that it's actually true. I actually recently hired a proofreader and a copywriter on Upwork at $92 an hour to help me with a bunch of pages on some of my websites. The jobs are there, you just have to find them. There's endless people like myself and so many other people always looking to hire help with things like proofreading. Now I know that a lot of you enjoy watching YouTube videos in your spare time, even at work. You're watching it right now. But behind the scenes of all the different videos that you watch on the platform, believe it or not, there's a lot of different moving parts, and some of them are pretty complicated and some of them are pretty simple. One of the most important parts of any video, believe it or not, is the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the image that you tap on when you see a video that you want to watch, and a lot of YouTubers will actually outsource their thumbnail creation to other people. And because the thumbnail is such an important part of the video, YouTubers are typically willing to pay a lot more for the service. And that right here is exactly where you come in as a thumbnail designer. You'll use sites like Fiverr and Upwork to find YouTubers who need custom thumbnails, and you can do this by either posting gigs on Fiverr or you can go to them, actively searching for YouTubers who may have posted jobs on Upwork or other sites that are also looking for a thumbnail designer. You can also post gigs on Upwork's project catalog, and then once you start getting your first clients, you'll use mobile apps like Canva to create thumbnails using their easy pre-made templates and then add your own unique touch to them. Many people have made full-time careers out of doing this, but even if you only want to do it as a side hustle, you can expect to earn around $1,000 a week or more just doing it part-time. Once you've built up a good pipeline of clients, it's going to be a good amount of cash in your pocket, so it might be something you want to put more time into and really grind out. This one you see all the time and you don't even realize it's a side hustle. If you live somewhere even remotely populated, you've likely seen the scooters on random corners of the street. Green ones like Lime or the white ones like Bird. They offer dockless electric scooters that you can find on the street and rent with a smartphone app and drop off almost anywhere you want in the city. This is certainly a great idea, but the problem with these scooters is that they still have to be charged at some point during the day or night. And this right here is where you come in. Using your phone, you can download apps like Lime and sign up to be a scooter charger, or as Lime calls it, a lime juicer. And the way it works is very, very simple. You basically go around your town and pick up the scooters that need charging, and the app will show you where the scooters are, and then once you pick them up, you bring them home or somewhere else to be charged. And on average, you'll make between $5 and $12 per scooter that you charge. So for example, if you charge 10 scooters in one night, well, that's between $50 to $120 just for a couple hours of work. That's actually extremely impressive, and if you really grinded that out, you could make yourself a lot of money. You've probably heard other people talk about this app in many other videos, but I couldn't help but include it in this one because it's a side hustle that you can do so easily from your phone. Field Agent is an app that's used by some of the largest companies in the world to have agents perform various tasks for their businesses. For example, using the app, you'll gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks. Many of these tasks can be done doing things you would normally do anyways, like going grocery shopping or buying clothes at the store. You simply download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job, and once the job is completed, a Field Agent will check your submission, and once it's approved, you'll be paid directly in cash to your bank account via direct deposit. Super easy. Many people have reported earning anywhere from $100 to as much as $500 per day doing this side hustle. This last one is pretty crazy. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not sure why no one's talking about it. I feel like it's because it's so lucrative. There's only been a few TikToks and YouTube videos about it, and I highly recommend you check them out. LCBs, or low content books, are an extraordinary way to make well over 6 figures per year from the comfort of your very own home. Low content books are essentially just books that have minimal or no content on the interior pages because the content is supposed to be filled out by the user. You can think of things like journals and coloring books, word games, crossword puzzles, planners, and other stuff like that. The amazing thing about this is you don't actually need any previous design experience, because there's actually a lot of great software out there that can help you design these books for free. There are people making as much as $20,000 per month selling these low content books on sites like Etsy and Amazon. And so once you're able to get things up and running and you find a good niche to build your books around, it's not unheard of to make as much as $500 or more per day with this side hustle. If you guys would like me to make a step-by-step guide on how to make these books from scratch start to finish and start making life-changing money for yourself, drop a comment down below, and if enough people comment, I'll make a really detailed video about it. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below what you want me to talk about next, and if you want to stay up to date, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I really appreciate everyone who made it to the end, and I wish you guys good luck on your financial journey. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be watching.